We'll guide you through how to open an email in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to log in. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to access your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see a list of emails organized by date. New emails are usually bolded, making them easy to spot. Simply click on the email you want to open. This will open the email in full view on your screen. You can now read the content of the email and see any attachments or images included. If you want to reply, you can click on the reply button at the bottom of the email. If you want to forward it to someone else, click the forward button instead. To keep your inbox organized, you can also choose to archive the email after reading it. Just click the archive icon that looks like a box with a downward arrow. Remember, archiving an email doesn't delete it but moves it to the All Mail section, so you can always find it later. And that's it. You've successfully opened and managed an email in Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.